Look, when it comes to investing in cash-flowing real estate, the property is only the fourth most important thing. Hi, my name's Keith Weinhold. I'm a writer for Forbes. I'm the owner of GetRichEducation.com, and you might know my voice because I'm the host of the long-running Get Rich Education podcast. Yes, for income property, the property is only the fourth most important thing. The most important thing is you. What do you want? Do you want cash flow? Are you looking for capital appreciation? Are you looking for lifestyle investing? Are you looking for a tax break? What do you want real estate to do for you? The second most important thing is the geographic market that you're investing in. Thirdly, although it's close to second, is the quality of your property manager. And then your property is only the fourth most important thing, because if any of those three above things don't work, then your real estate is not going to give you the return or whatever you desire from it. Look, if you buy a mansion in a swamp, that's a market problem right there. It doesn't matter how nice the mansion was. Or if you purchase an apartment building that you want to have filled with tenants where you need that income to exceed all the monthly expenses, well, how good is that apartment building for you if you purchase in an old factory town that just continues to suffer job losses and a dwindling population? So both the market and the manager are more important than the property. So I ask myself a question: what do I want real estate to do for me? Oftentimes it's to produce an income stream, in my case. Secondly, I look for a market that has good and diverse economic sectors that are going to support jobs. And then thirdly, I find a good communicative property manager in that market. And then and only then do I begin looking at properties. I think the amateur or the old-fashioned way is just to drive around the town that you live in and go ahead and think about purchasing a property there and maybe even managing it yourself. But there really only are a select few markets, usually in the United States Midwest and South, that have a high ratio of rent income to a low purchase price. That's what you want to look for when you're looking for property. So start with other things prior to the property, and just keep in mind that the property is only the fourth most important thing. And you know where you can find good markets and good managers? I've been investing for years myself, and I just have a list of the exact providers that I use in the best markets, and that list, oftentimes where I buy my own property, is at greturnkey.com. That's for Get Rich Education Turnkey Real Estate Investing. greturnkey.com is where you can find good markets with competent managers. Remember, in real estate investing for income, the property is only the fourth most important thing.
71% of Americans aren't saving enough for retirement. It's going to get worse as people live longer, and you need to start thinking differently. But you can't lose your time. Real estate is the investment vehicle that's made more ordinary people wealthy than anything else. Keith Weinhold of Get Rich Education is host of one of America's top investing shows, Disrupting Wall Street. He's an international best-selling author, a writer for Rich Dad Advisors, and has been an active income property investor since 2002. He has created thousands in passive monthly income for countless followers, and now he has a free book, The 7 Principles for Creating Wealth in Your Life. Get your copy now at GetRichEducation.com/book. That's GetRichEducation.com/book. Because invest in what produces income for you now and later. Keith Weinhold is your guy. Sign up now at GetRichEducation.com/book.